Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So in today's video I'm going to give you another update of a plant that was planted 8 months ago. If you remember, there were certain succulents that were put in the drum and were completely destroyed, and these were one of them. I will put the name on the screen. So they were in a very bad condition. They were completely smashed, all of the leaves were damaged, and then I thought I will give it a try because I really love this variety of succulent. After a lot of hunting, I happened to find the succulent, so I didn't want to give up on them so easily. I went ahead and planted them in the mountain soil because that was the best soil that I could give them at that point of time. I wanted to ensure that the soil is loose, porous and well draining, and I didn't water the same day. I waited for at least a week because they looked that they were hydrated. Apart from that, they were sitting in a box from a really long time. So I just left them as it is. I put them into the soil. I blew off all of the dust or any kind of debris that were present in between the leaves, and I kept them in indirect bright light. Even though I kept it for 1 month, but I still extended it for another 2 months, and I kept them in only indirect bright light. After which I slowly started to expose them to morning direct sunlight, and now this is how they tend to look like. They have all recovered really well. Recently they got a little bit burnt because of the painting and stuff, but overall they are looking fantastic, and I'm very happy that all 3 of them are performing really well. The colors are present because they are getting morning direct sunlight. All of the green color has gone off. There's still a little bit of dust which I will try and blow off in between the leaves. While shifting, there were a lot of debris that fell, but overall the succulent is looking fantastic. It has revived really well. The colors also look really fantastic. I don't know why the colors never pick up on this camera, but the colors are really bright deep orange in color, so it's looking absolutely beautiful. Very happy. I thought I will share the progress video with you because a lot of times people get a little bit demotivated when they receive their succulents and they don't look really good. They don't look very bright colored. As you can see, initially when I started, the succulent looked so bad in the shape, in the size and the color, but you can see after 8 months the succulent is doing extremely well. It all depends upon the care that you give. Go very slow with them, have a lot of patience, and trust me, it is going to work out really well. That's what I did. I kept them in indirect bright light. I was not much worried about the stress colors at that point of time because I wanted my succulent to grow healthy. I wanted it to revive. So for almost 1 to 2 months I kept it in indirect bright light, and once I felt like the plant is slowly starting to pick up, that's when I started to do the slow acclimation of 1 hour morning direct sunlight every day until a week or so, and then they were out in morning direct sunlight. So you can see they are doing absolutely fantastic. So if you have an issue like this, please don't get demotivated. It is going to take some time for the succulents to settle in. Even if you tend to get succulents that are not very brightly colored, it does take a lot of time for them to settle in and then slowly start getting healthy in the new environment. They take a little bit of time to acclimate in the new environment, and once they do that, then it tends to work out really well. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.